Hi, this is Excel Lesson 3, Accessing and Using Excel Templates, Step by Step. Templates are files that already have formatting and formulas. They have designs, tools, and specific data types, everything all set up for you. There's formulas for budgets and loans, invoices, calendars, and so much more. With a blank workbook open in Excel, I'm going to click on the File tab to get into my Backstage view, and then I'm going to click on New. If you've used templates or have templates installed, you'll see many templates here on this screen, but there are many more that are available to you through searching online. We're going to type in project tracker and see what we come up with. All right, so we have a project tracker template. Let's click project tracker and then we'll click create. All right, notice there are 2 worksheets in the workbook. Project tracker has sample data you can change and set up that allows you to input a list of categories and employees. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to close this template. That's just one example. We don't need to save it, but we'll go ahead and we'll click File and we'll click New. And this time we're going to search for Academic Calendar. All right, let's go ahead and select the first academic calendar. You could select anyone. We'll select, let's do the one with photos. And we'll click Create. All right, it downloads the template, and see here I have a photo, but I can change that if I'd like. Let's select the month, and you see there's a drop list. Let's pick the month for our birthday. And then if we scroll down, we notice that we have subsequent months. Let's go ahead and save this workbook. We will save it to our class folder. And we will name the workbook 03 My Calendar Solution. Please don't forget to put your last name, first name in front of the file name.